Hello again. In this practice, we will try to sketch this drawing. For me, I will start with these two circles, then we will move on. So the first circle is 36 units diameter, and the second one is 60 units diameter. So let's start in the origin here. So the first one is 36, and sketch another one of 60. Let's sketch these three circles. As you can see, they lie on an arc of 64 units radius. We can simply sketch this arc, or we can sketch a circle. For me, I prefer to sketch a circle, then draw a vertical line, then another one here. Let's set this value. Pay attention here, because we already sketched the circle, we need to indicate the diameter, not the radius. So it will be 64 multiplied by 2. By the way, you can enter any relations you want here, and they will be calculated. So 64 multiplied by 2, then okay, and this will be 128. And as you can see here, we have this angle, which is 30. So let's define this. And finally, this circle is not part of our sketch, so we need to convert it, to a construction geometry. Select the circle, and from the small menu here, select construction geometry, or simply go to options and select for construction. Now, sketch a circle, and another one. Now the diameter of this circle is listed here. We have 4, which means 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the diameter is 12. So set the diameter to 12, then select this circle, hold Control, select this one, then make equal. We have another part of circle, which is 10 units radius. So let's sketch this here. Again, the diameter will be 20. Now, since we have this circle and we have this one, we can sketch this arc. This arc is a 12 units radius. So sketch a 3-point arc here, something like this. Then define the relations. We need a tangent here, and we need another tangent here. Set the radius. Then grab these points and trim them at once. Make sure not to trim the center line. Now let's define this circle here. So draw any two circles. The diameter of this one will be equal to the diameter of this one, and we have radius of 12 here. So the diameter of this will be 12 multiplied by 2. Finally, we need to set this point to be vertical with this point, and we need to set this distance, which is 125. So between the origin and this point is 125 units. Now we are ready to set this arc. So draw any random arc, but with this direction. Then set the relations as we did. And finally we need to set the radius, which is 54. Now trim this part and this part. Finally, we have a line here. So sketch a line and make it tangent to the circle and tangent here. And select this point with this circle and make coincident, and you can zoom in and do the same here. Now we can mirror everything we did. So mirror entities, we need to mirror them about this line, then this line, and this circle, and this one will be mirrored. We need to do some trims now. The first one is here. Don't worry about this for now, just to proceed with the trimming. As you can see, now we no longer have a fully defined sketch. The message says no solution found. In other words, we have defined more relations than we need, and most of the time it occurs when you mirror parts or a group of parts. That's why you need to eliminate one of these yellow dimensions or relations. So in this case, let's just delete this one. And as you can see, the sketch is fully defined. Later on in this course, we will have a video talking about over-defined sketches and how to convert them to a fully defined and how to deal with it when it happens.